Hey y'all, so today we're going to talk about how to record and do the progress report / report card for your class. This is what it looks like. It's very simple, very basic. We are trying to gauge if they have understood and comprehended their colors, letters, numbers, and shapes. So these are very easy. For the colors, it has the date, because there's 3 different times out of the year that you will test them: the beginning of the year, the middle of the year, and the end of the year. All you will do, this says blue. This would be for the 3-year-olds. When you're using this papers for the 2-year-olds, you would color it with the blue crayon, black crayon, brown, gray, green, and as they learn them, check them off. So if the first date is August the 18th, and they were able to get blue, green, and purple, you would check off, check, they did know those colors. Then when you come back at the end of December, before we go out for the new year, you check again, and they still know blue, they still know green and purple, but they also know black, brown, gray, and red. So then by the end of the year, hopefully they know all of them, but that's how you're just gonna track for the colors. For the letters, all you have to do, if they can tell you by point, all you have to do is point at the sheet. Don't do it in order, because they might know them pretty easily in order. But starting with Z, point to the Z, and if they can tell you that's a Z, check it. If they know that this is the G, then check it. Whatever it's, just check. This one doesn't need a date, because as they're getting it, we're marking it off. And the parents are going to get this and then return it to you each time, so that they have one report card that they are just filling out for the whole year. Down here, it is the numbers. We're trying to make sure that they can at least, our 2 and 3-year-olds can at least count to 20. And for the 3-year-olds, we want them to be able to count 20 backwards. And so it says, I can rote count to. So when it says rote count, that means tell them just to start counting. Starting from 0 or 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. And then they might get stuck. So if they get stuck there, just write 29. If they can go up to 30, up to 40, 41, 40, if they can get all of those, write down the number and the date in which they can get it. So the first, it's a long line. So the first time that we do it, at the beginning of the school year, we're trying to see how far they can count. They may only be able to count to 10. But then that second time in December, they may be able to count to 15. Write the date and how far they were able to count up. And then again at the end of the year, write the date and how far they were able to count up. The next one is the shapes. The shape's already there. Just ask them what shape it is and the date. Whatever date it is, at the beginning, middle, and end of the year. As they learn those shapes, just check them off. All right, thanks.